Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
Generic fault codes like P0606 apply to most cars fitted with an onboard diagnostic (OBD) system. When this code appears on the code reader or scanner, one of the first questions most people tend to ask is, what is the P0606 code? Read on to find out more about this code, its symptoms, and causes. What does the P0606 fault code mean? Fault code P0606 stands for Control Module Processor. This is a non-specific, generic code indicating that an error has been detected in the powertrain control module, PCM. The engine controller, PCM-TCM, is essentially a computer with RAM and an ECU that processes inputs and triggers outputs within the framework of programming algorithms. The PCM's main task is to control certain aspects of the engine and transmission. Sensors provide input data to the PCM, then the module uses this data to control a variety of outputs, from fuel injectors to gearshift solenoids. In addition, the PCM monitors the sensors, circuits and devices with which it interacts. The module also monitors itself for internal faults, and displays code P0606 if it detects an internal error. If you get the P0606 code and you haven't installed any components of dubious quality that might have caused the code, you'll probably need a replacement PCM-TCM, which will have to be flash programmed in almost all cases on modern vehicles. Older engined transmission controllers were plug and play. Newer ones aren't, and haven't been for years. Note, the definition of code P0606 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P0606? Knowing the cause of the PCM fault can help you solve it. Bear in mind, however, that causes can vary according to vehicle model, make and year, so you need to be very careful when diagnosing your car. Here are the common causes of PCM processor failure or code P0606, faulty PCM. A problem with the PCM power or ground circuit. PCM software needs updating. What are the possible symptoms of code P0606? Code P0606 can cause driving, engine efficiency and convenience problems. You may encounter one or more of these symptoms if you have a P0606 code memorized. A check engine light is on, engine won't start. Several engine handling problems, automatic transmission performance problems. Other problems involving ABS, TCS, IPC, or BCM may occur. How to diagnose code P0606? Diagnosing code P0606 can be difficult, so it's best to leave this task to your mechanic. If you decide to carry out this task yourself, you'll need the help of a detailed guide to help you troubleshoot correctly. How to repair code P0606? Solving the P0606 code can be tricky, as there is no single solution. It's probably best to leave it to your mechanic. You can try doing it yourself, but you'll need the help of online auto repair guides or a single vehicle all-data subscription to find the right solution. Consult a repair manual before working on your car, and remember that what works for a particular model may not work for other models. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0606 is crucial for diagnosing issues related to the Engine Management ECU or the combined engine and transmission ECU. This code indicates a potential malfunction within the control unit, which can lead to performance problems and reduced efficiency. By recognizing the symptoms and utilizing proper diagnostic tools, you can effectively address the underlying issues. Always remember to consult a professional mechanic if you're unsure, as they can provide the expertise needed to resolve these complex problems. Thank you for watching, and stay informed for a smoother driving experience.